4 occupants, confirmed signal 0 in the backpack in the back seat, and you can smell the obvious threat.
Right, yeah. I can see movement in there as well. Yeah.
Dorsey, tell them to stop moving around.
Passenger, roll down your window. Put your hands out the window.
Can y'all tell me what happened?
We're about to. You're just being detained right now. Put your hands behind your back. Whose trailer is that?
Huh?
Whose trailer is that?
It's a guy
Turn your wrist on me.
that my the worker who with me, he rented it from the guy.
Okay, step back here. You said there's 3 more including you, or?
Yeah.
Step on back. Keep walking back to me.
Go to your right. Go to your right.
All right, go ahead. Put your hands up. There you go. Right behind your back.
I'll take you with me.
And then I'll swing around to the front.
Oh, that's quite a pistol.
I'm going to enable the unit in the area. All Kings and Hood Lakes from the 95 for signal 12. It's going to be the listening on the electric scooter again. Northbound this time for the roadway. Go home for the unit. I'm going to clear level 37.
Is that the only one?
Go ahead.
No, there's one more under, I think it was under a seat, I think he said. There's an empty holster right here. There's a magazine for, maybe that'll fit? No? Oh, that's a 9. Oh.
It's just slid out right here. Yeah. It was right on top of this, and it just slid right out.
Plugging in units sends the back right to Kings status check.
I promise I'm not doing that.
Hey, have you ever been arrested for anything like that?
What for?
Dumb stuff, you know, like young.
Yeah, what kind of dumb stuff? Because your dumb stuff might be different than my dumb stuff.
I'm from Arkansas, so it was just like stealing it, like bikes and stuff like that.
Dumb stuff.
Kids, you know what I'm saying?
You're not convicted for anything like that?
Go back there so I can grab his ear pocket.
You have to check on the seat, behind the seat, make sure that weed was in here somewhere.
Yeah, it's too strong.
Yeah. Unless they ate it all.
Yeah. Check their teeth and see if they got any stuff in their teeth.
Has he been thoroughly searched, do you know?
I don't know. I just mentioned that. If you want to pull it back out. Part of the security theft of the trailers having all of them. You search my guys, see if you look at that.